So, you've built an amazing application, right? But now comes the big question. How do you actually get paid for it without getting completely lost in code? Well, today, we're going to dive right in and build a fully automated payment system completely from scratch.
I mean, this is the dream for pretty much every creator. You want a system that just works, even while you're sleeping. A user pays and instantly they get access. No more manually sending emails or checking your bank account. Just a smooth, professional flow that makes you look good from day one.
And that is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to use two incredible tools. Stripe, which will handle all the payment processing, and Mercor, a super powerful automation platform that's basically going to be the brains of the whole operation. And the best part? It's a really elegant solution that requires zero, and I mean zero coding. So, let's get into it.
Okay, first things first, we need to build let's call it our digital cash register. And all of this is going to happen right inside of Stripe. This is where we tell the system exactly what we're selling, and just as important, how we're selling it.
Once you're inside your Stripe dashboard, the very first and honestly the most important step is to enable test mode. Think of this as a safe little sandbox where you can build and test everything without worrying about using real money. Once you're in test mode, you'll create a product, which is just Stripe's word for the thing your customers are about to buy.
Now, you've got a key decision to make right here. Are you selling something as a one-time purchase, like a digital download or a course? Or is it a recurring subscription, like a monthly premium membership? The really great news is that Stripe handles both of these beautifully, and our automation tool, Mercor, is totally ready to handle whatever you throw at it. All right, our product is all set up in Stripe. So it's time to create what I like to call the digital handshake. This is the part where we get Stripe and Mercor talking to each other, so a payment in one app can kick off an action in the other one.
So how do we make this connection? We use something called API keys. And honestly, the easiest way to think about these is just like a secret username and password, but for your apps. Stripe will give you two keys, a publishable key, which is fine to use in less secure places, and a secret key.
And look, I absolutely cannot stress this enough. That secret key, you have to protect it like it's the password to your actual bank account. Never ever show it in the video, don't post it online, don't share it. Keep it secret, keep it safe.
Okay, now for the real brains of this whole operation, the webhook. So the technical definition is, it's an automated message sent from one app to another when a specific event happens. You know, that sounds a little dry. What does that actually mean for us?
It means this. The webhook is basically Stripe shouting over to Mercor, hey, that person just paid, you can go ahead and unlock all their premium features right now. It's this real-time messenger that makes the whole automation feel totally instant.
And setting this up is way simpler than it sounds. You literally just copy a unique URL from Mercor, you hop over to Stripe and paste it into the webhook section, and then you just tell Stripe what to listen for. In our case, we only care about one single event, checkout.session.completed. That's it. Okay, so that connection is made. The handshake is complete. Now we can jump into Mercor and design the actual workflow. This is the fun part, where we get to tell our system exactly what to do when it gets that payment successful message from Stripe. And this is where the magic really happens. The whole thing just unfolds automatically. The second a payment goes through, the trigger fires. Mercor instantly finds that user in your database, flips their status from free to premium, and can even fire off a personalized welcome email. All of it in the blink of an eye.
And hey, here's a quick pro tip. To make this whole thing feel way less robotic, Stripe actually sends a bunch of customer data over with that webhook message, including their name. You can use that as a variable to personalize your welcome email. So instead of, hi there, it says, hi Jane. It's a small touch that makes a huge difference.
So we've built the product, we've connected the apps, and we've designed the automation. There is only one thing left to do, and that's to see it all in action. Let's run a live test and watch that magic moment where it all comes together.
Now remember, we're still in test mode, so we can use Stripe's official test credit card number. It's just a repeating sequence of 4242. This lets us go through the entire checkout process, just like a real customer, but without a single cent actually changing hands. It's perfect for testing.
And there it is, the payoff. Before the purchase, our test user status was free. The very moment that test payment went through, we hit refresh and boom, their status is instantly updated to premium. No waiting, no manual work, it just works.
You know, this isn't just about saving yourself a bit of time. It's about creating a professional, scalable, and really trustworthy experience for your customers. In just a few minutes, you've built a system that lets your business grow without you having to be the bottleneck.
And really, this just scratches the surface of what you can do with this kind of setup. So I'll leave you with a question to think about. Automating your payments gives you back your time and makes your business scalable. What's the next tedious bottleneck in your business that you could completely shatter with this exact same no-code approach?